Alright, going over this wreck here, we're going to start off at the beginning of the trophy dash, coming off of turn 4. We're just now getting the green flag. Pay close attention to the black 24 car in the back. He's coming in a little hot into turn 1, gives the 43 a nice little tap. Comes back up the track a little bit, moves me a little bit, nothing too serious. But as we're going into turn 3, pay attention to the 24 car again. You can see he locks up his fronts, starts sliding up the racetrack, gets in the left rear of me, starts pushing me sideways. The white car and the 78 car has nowhere to go, gets tapped as the 24 car is coming down, gets pushed up into my left front and breaks my suspension. So overall, broke a couple things in the suspension, nothing too serious, but we'll get it back together and go racing next time.
Oh man.